Stop drawing boxes, start scaling systems. That's what this video is about. Real systems and real scale, building a production-grade Twitter-like platform from 1,000 to 10 million users, hands-on. But first, let's talk about why most learning approaches fail. You've probably experienced at least one of these. Endless videos, zero real skill, or code that collapses under 1,000 concurrent users. The theoretical approach leaves you stuck at the, quote, tutorial hell level. You need to build real systems to gain real production-grade skills. Staying stuck has a real cost. The path on the left shows remaining at the same title and salary, watching others get promoted. The path on the right shows what 6 months of production experience changes. A path to senior and architect roles with significant salary growth. This course exists because I was tired of seeing talented engineers held back by theory. The solution is the System Design Twitter course. It's hands-on and production-ready, teaching the exact techniques used at hyperscale companies to build and scale real systems from day one. Visualize putting these 5 production projects on your resume. Project 1 is the tweet stream engine, using the same pattern Twitter uses for fan-out. Project 3, the media CDN pipeline, shows how platforms like YouTube handle global media delivery. These projects prove production skill. This is the architecture of the tweet stream engine. A user tweets. It hits the API gateway. The service publishes to Kafka. Fan-out workers distribute to Redis timelines for 10 million followers, all in under 5 seconds. You'll design and implement every one of these architectural decisions. This is not just another video course. We use the build, break, debug, scale cycle. This is how real engineers learn. You don't get production experience by watching. You get it by writing real code, pushing it until it fails, and fixing the real bottlenecks. Don't take my word for it. Here is what a student says. 6 months after completing this course, I was promoted to senior and leading the platform team's re-architecture. That's the transformation this course creates. Real students, real outcomes. These outcomes are a clear pattern. 73% of students report career advancement in 6 months, with an average salary increase of $25,000. These are the logos our students are adding to their LinkedIn profiles after gaining scale experience. This is your path from zero to production ready. Notice how every module builds on the last, starting with 1,000 users and ending at 10 million. You'll move from foundations to reliability, with 5 portfolio-ready projects along the way. Here is the complete value you get. The live Q&A sessions alone provide ongoing access to an engineer who built these systems. We stack the value. Production-grade projects, portfolio review, lifetime access, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Zero risk, full confidence. Here's what I want you to do next. Enroll today. Anchor the full price, and you'll see a special, limited-time discount for the next cohort. If you go through the first 30 days, and it's not what I promised, you get every dollar back, no questions asked. Thank you for watching. Click the link below to enroll today. I will see you inside the course.